As the Treasure Valley continues to grow, so does the need for critical resources like healthcare. The Gem State is facing a substantial shortage of healthcare staff, including nurses. And to help fill the gaps, some Treasure Valley universities are expanding their nursing programs. Our Jude Binkley brings us a look at how some of those universities are expanding to address those needs. Jude?
Well, Hunter, according to a 2022 study from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, Idaho ranks 50th in the country for nurses per capita. But several local universities have massive plans to help address those healthcare shortages.
I think we'll be back in a few days.
The healthcare workforce is facing a flat line in the Treasure Valley.
We have a great need in this area, and it takes the entire healthcare system to maintain a very healthy community. That's a small part that NNU plays in this.
Several local universities are looking to revive critical workforce needs, including Northwest Nazarene University in Nampa.
We are in need of more space, and so we are looking at how can we achieve that? How can we continue to produce high-quality, compassionate nurses for our community?
NNU is planning to centralize their nursing program, which is currently spread out across their campus, by fundraising to remodel and rebuild facilities.
We have created some makeshift spaces, and we've been making do for a good couple of years now. It's now time that we have to settle into one centralized location.
Data from the Health Resources and Services Administration says Idaho will need another 3,600 nurses by 2030 to keep up with current demand and growth. That's almost a 24% increase to the state's current nursing workforce.
We have a real shortage of nurses, but we also have a shortage of educators that are able to teach nursing. And so that, combined with a lack of space and not enough space to educate them, it creates challenges.
The university also says an expansion helps them keep up with the latest technology to bring better care to the Treasure Valley, which continues to see an influx of people. Something Idaho State University in Meridian could also address with their own expansion.
When you look at the growth of the need in healthcare, it's substantial. And our programs are growing with that need statewide.
ISU is expanding their diverse set of healthcare programming with upcoming plans to add dental and anesthetist programs and an undergraduate accelerated nursing program.
And we really like that program because it meets the workforce needs quickly.
ISU also plans on adding a health and science center at a 23-acre location just north of their Meridian campus.
It's really potentially a conglomeration of different things. It's research spaces, clinical spaces, student focused spaces such as housing and food services.
Resources that could add a lifeline to the Gem State's healthcare.
We've been assigned as that health science educator for the state of Idaho. And so that's one of the reasons why it's super important for us as Idaho State to figure out what are those needs across the state and how do we best meet them.
Jude Binkley, Idaho's News Channel 7.